The second row seats in your vehicle can be adjusted for additional legroom and comfort. To adjust the seat position, lift up on the bar under the front of the seat, move to the desired position, and release the bar. To adjust the recline angle, lift the lever on the outboard side of the seat and move forward or backward as desired, then release. Second row seats can slide forward to allow easier access to the third row. Pull the easy entry lever on the outboard side of the seat back and slide the seat forward. To return the seat, push it back into position until it locks into place. The second and third row seats in your vehicle can be folded flat for additional storage. If equipped, a one-touch power folding seat switch bank is located on the right rear trim panel inside the cargo area. From here, you can fold the second and third row seats with the push of a button. The third row seats can be unfolded as well. There are also power folding switches for the third row seats located on the C-pillars, just behind the rear doors on the trim panels. Outboard second and third row head restraints will lower automatically when the seats are lowered. You can lower the third row head restraints manually by pressing the headrest fold button in the Uconnect system. You'll have to manually raise the second and third row headrests after returning the seats to the upright position. Your vehicle may be equipped with manual fold-flat second and third row seats. To lower the second row seat backs on either bench seats or captain's chairs, pull up on the recline lever located on the outboard side of the seat and let the seat back fold forward automatically. To raise the seat back, raise it up into its original position until it locks into place. To manually fold either of the third row seats, pull on the release handle located on the back of the seat. Then lower the seat while holding the pull strap next to the release handle. To raise the seat, pull the seat toward you using the pull strap. Keep in mind, third row seat belts should be placed behind the stow clips before folding or opening the third row seats. Be sure to remove them from the clips when the seats are occupied. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.